Hello everyone, so how to install Hello app. It's self-care diary journal app, so just tap get and then you can install it just using a Touch ID or password. And this app is basically easy guided journaling created alongside a team of psychologists, and you can just write daily practice, reduce stress, make time for yourself, guide the sessions, in-depth courses, all of that. So there are a lot of apps like this at the moment, and I think Halo is one of the top ones. It's really trending in the top charts. And so just daily journal, and then let's try to create an account. You can also activate encryption. You can set up a free trial, or you can just start with a free account, and that's the app. I didn't really need to create an account and stuff. So that's that. If you want to add entries, you can also just add some entry, and there it is. You don't even need to create an account. If you want to, you can just create an account using Apple if you're on iOS, or using your email. So that's how it works. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.